Clocks hands spin every day and night. Boxes big and small stack tight. Screens glow with stories we can't fight. Chasing shadows never feels quite right. Rush hour moves like a humming storm. Routine feels both cold and warm. Blinds down shut as norms transform. Do we pretend that this is still the norm? Why do we run? We barely know. Endless streams but nothing flows. Is this how modern life goes? Just tell me where the meaning shows. Coffee cups hold hearts tired and torn. Paychecks spent before they're born. Future sold in a crisp black morn. Where do dreams in silence mourn? Why do we run? We barely know. Endless streams but nothing flows. Is this how modern life goes? Just tell me where the meaning shows. Questions carve their shape